Hey, everybody. So, stop for just a minute and think about what it would be like to go through life with no arms. It's pretty hard for me to imagine. Well, the main character in this story, Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus by Dusti Bowling, has this challenge. Her name is Avon. She's one of the main characters. She is the main character, along with her parents, her friend Connor, and a place called Stagecoach Pass, which is a kind of a defunct amusement park that her parents make her move to in Arizona. So she's doesn't have friends. She's having to meet and be the new kid, and she doesn't have arms. And so people are always asking her, "What happened to you?" And she gets tired of answering that. So she starts making things up like she lost an alligator wrestling competition. Okay. Well, anyway, she and her friend Connor find a picture in a boarded up room, and it sparks a mystery that they feel like they need to solve. This book is so funny, which you might not expect, but it is thoughtful. It has a great mystery. Stagecoach Pass is practically a character all in and of itself. So if you liked Wonder, Miscalculations of a Lightning Girl, any books about friendship, and funny books, this might be the one you want to read.